From there we go to reasons why some Christians break their marriage vows. So tell me, why do some Christians break their marriage vows? Raise up your hand, class prefect. You don't know why marriages are breaking up today, why people are breaking up, the reasons? Sorry, I can't hear. When one does what? Yes, true. What does it say? Actually, that's like a financial constraint. It's a financial cost because all your friends they have a lot of money. Yes, they have a lot of money. All of a sudden, your husband doesn't have money, or from initially he did not have money, or he did not have that job. So you tend to break them up because even your friends are asking you, you can't go to Mombasa over the holiday. Why? Because your husband doesn't have what? Such an income. Or even you yourself, you don't have such an income. I don't know why you're blaming the husband. Because even you should be able to generate ways that you guys can make money and go for the what? Vacation. Now, actually the friends are the ones who are pushing people to dissolve their marriages. Because you want to be like your friends. But marriages are different, all of them. Another reason? Yes? Yes, that is also key. When one commits adultery and it's known, they break up. Yes? Yes. Drug abuse. Actually, why drug abuse comes into marriage and leads to total dissolving of a marriage is because you are misusing family what? Finances to fund your drug abuse, your alcoholism. When you're addicted to something like cocaine, you have to keep on buying it. Or sometimes you become what? Hostile. There are those husbands, when they arrive home, they start caning everyone around. Caning everyone. Even they see the dog, they cane the dog. You see now that one is a bit, it's going physical. That's why some of them also dissolve a marriage. Another reason? Yes? Lack of respect to the husband or wife. Yes, it is a big word, but it's correct. How do you not respect them? It's a bit a big word. Respect. What is the main thing? You can give an example. Yes? You're not supposed to abuse them or to kill them. Or you find your wife has done something wrong, and then when you ask them, they start abusing you. Yeah, it's wrong. That's lack of respect. You tell him, kindly sit down. And you can just listen. You don't have to talk back at them. That's a good example. Yes. And I don't allow, it's called the women battering and men battering. In what? It's called what? Violence, domestic violence. I don't allow it. If you're the man and you're beating the wife, who's going to beat you when you're wrong? You're beating your wife. Who's going to beat you? Or you're violent towards your wife. Who's going to be violent towards you? There is no equality. Yes, and you can never solve anything by violence. Yes? Another point, yes? Yes, true. And actually this one is, I don't know whether it's both the husband and the wife, or it's one-sided. If the conjugal rights are not well fulfilled, they dissolve the marriage. Yes, so I can't explain it fully. There is also the interference from the what? The in-laws. And how do the in-laws interfere? They may interfere on how they want to tell you how to spend the what? Your income, both of you. How to spend your money or your income. Or they also want to tell you what to invest in. They're telling you, don't invest on that. Or they tell you to give them what? Cash. All the time. Why are you not giving? Especially those ones who stay in the rural areas. And let's say, for example, my husband is working in the town and I'm here in the rural area. I stay with the mother-in-law. The mother-in-law gets into you. It brings a lot of fuss on how we are spending money, how much money I'm being sent. She even wants to be sent the money and then she decides what I need. There's also that challenge. Also, schools for your children, they want to tell you, you should not take your child to that school, you should take them to this school. So, interference of the in-laws is another reason why Christians break their marriage vows. There is also barrenness or lack of children, hypocrisy, and influence from friends, as Nani talked about earlier. Yeah, true.